Hi everyone, my name is Ose Iria from Darkroom Workshop, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get the latest version of Final Cut for free. Yes, you heard me, absolutely free with no cost at all. I'm not talking about some pirated or cracked version of Final Cut from an illegal website. I'm talking about the authorized version of Final Cut directly from Apple. Without wasting much time, let's go right into it. Go to the link in the description to get the free trial directly from Apple. Click on the download button. Once downloaded, double click on the DMG file. And once that opens, double click on the PKG installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the installation. This trial version has no restrictions other than the 1000 sound effects pre-installed in the paid version, and it's for 90 days. So you have the trial for 90 days. 90 days is a long time. That's like 3 months. Once a new update comes out, you can get that new update and have an additional 90 days to it. So these are the differences between having the paid version and using this trial version, which for me, I think starting out or trying out a new editing software, it's good enough to work. I know someone who used this trial version to get a professional gig and paid for the paid version. So again, 90 days,
very long time.
I think that's enough time to either learn how to use the software or even use on a professional gig on any scale. Personally, I think Final Cut is the best editing software in the market. Yes. Okay, before you come for me, let me tell you why. To me, it is fast. And I've heard this from several people. It is fast, it is reliable, and it is easy to use. The ease at which you edit in Final Cut, I think that's my biggest reason for staying here, because work becomes like play. You know what I mean? And it's not because I have spent so much time using Final Cut. It's not because I'm used to the software. It's just because the user interface, it's so easy. I have edited TV commercials, tons of music videos, and even feature films on Final Cut. Some of the famous Hollywood films that were edited on Final Cut are
This is Sparta!
How about now? You still wired in? Call security. You issued 24 million new shares of
Nada más. Sin nonsense.
So well.
I love the Smiths.
Sorry?
I said I love the Smiths.
Now that you have Final Cut running, in the next video, I will show you the standard way to get your project set up to edit your first video.